Well, we've been working with Nadine and Olivia at a kitchen and bath design company. We sent them a sketch and they gave us this layout. And in the end, I think it's going to be a very elegant and efficient use of the space. We have 2 sink bases for the undermount sinks under the faucets, 2 cabinets with drawers in between, which gives each user some personal storage space. There's also a tower unit on the end designed to look like an armoire with drawers and shelves for storing shared items like linens and towels. Now the doors, drawers, and face frames are all solid maple beneath our white finish. So the style is transitional with a 1-panel design, and that should go well with a lot of the different elements that we have going on in the house, like our kitchen cabinets. Now, as we said before, these are face frame cabinets, which basically means that all of our doors and drawers are laying over the front of our frame, as opposed to, say, an inlay, which would be flush with the front of the frame, and that would give it a little bit more of a classic look. Well, Steve, it's looking really good so far.
Yeah, it's going real good.
Yeah? Now, when you're installing cabinets, you need to think a little bit about layout, make sure everything works out, right?
Yes, on this one, we had to make sure that the sink base was centered on the faucets that are coming out of the walls.
Okay.
So then the sink would be centered, everything would be centered, which is also centered with these mirrors. Then we also had to make sure that everything fit in the space wall to wall, because we are going wall to wall.
And everything worked out okay?
Everything's just fine.
And as you're installing, it's also important to make sure you have everything plumb level and square.
Yes, that's always important. So the finished product comes out with all the doors reveal nicely to each other and to the cabinets and the countertops, and everything works right.
Now, I know these are face frame cabinets. Now, if you had an inset type of situation with that, would it be different?
Yeah, that's all the reveals need to be perfect for that. There's usually an 1/8 inch all the way around the openings or less. These are a little bit more forgiving when you have the doors coming over the face frame like this.
Now, you said you're going wall to wall. You do want to make sure you're careful of things like right here, like trim, make sure everything opens and closes right.
Yes, we're putting a filler on the end there to make sure to leave room for the drawers to open past the door casing.
Well, this is looking really, really good. It's going to be nice to finally have cabinets in here.
It is. Thank you.
Yeah, nice work. Now, dirty clothes may not be something that you would think about when you're designing a master bath, but our designers incorporated a couple of base cabinets for just that, one for each person. Now, this is an aluminum frame that incorporates soft close glides, so there won't be any banging around in the bathroom, and it gets attached to the bottom of each cabinet. On the front of the frame, we have a couple of heavy-duty brackets, and that's what our door attaches to. Now, it also comes with this cloth bag, which is washable, and it just hangs right here in the frame, and then it makes it really easy to pull it right out and bring it to the laundry.